in this today's video is I'm going to defend uh, my exercise prescription. But before that, I am Dan Kenneth G. Asidera from BSN A31 section. Now let's go back to our topic, which is the cardiovascular conditioning prescription and the muscular resistance training prescription. These two exercise prescription I will going to defend in this video. We will first go to cardiovascular conditioning prescription. As you can see here, the frequency I chose is 3 times a week. I want to choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The next is intensity. My intensity is moderate because I also have the knowledge when it comes to exercises before, because I went to the gym and I am also a lawn tennis player way back in my high school days. That's why I chose moderate. Next is the resting heart rate. My resting heart rate is 66 beats per minute. I get my resting heart rate when I wake up this morning. Next is the heart rate reserve. I get the heart rate reserve based on this table. Next is the target heart rate. So in getting your target heart rate, we do have a formula which is 220 minus 18 minus 66 and also times 0.66 plus 66. So in this formula, 220 is our constant number, 18 is my age, and 66 is my resting heart rate. Next, to times it, we would do the decimal in our resting heart rate. So that's why it's 0.66. And plus our heart rate, that's why it's plus 66. So if we combine it, we will gonna get 156 beat per minute. So the heart rate was divided 0 in the decimal part, which is 0.66 divided by 2, then we get 0.33. So if we combine those all, we will gonna get 111 beats per minute. Now, we will gonna go to the board rate of perceived exertion. So where did I get this for? I was basing on the board rate of perceived exertion in this table. Since my intensity is moderate, I was looking in the moderate part, and that's why I chose 4. Next is time. My warm-up is 5 minutes at low interval. My stimulus is 30 minutes, and my cool down is 3 minutes at low interval. So in stimulus, I will gonna do my exercise 30 minutes non-stop, and the number of cycles is 1, and my type of exercise is jogging. If we combine this all, so we're gonna jog in 30 minutes, and since it's moderate, so I will gonna do this exercise non-stop. So okay, we're now done in the cardiovascular resistance. Now let's proceed to the muscular resistance training prescription. And as you can see here, this new table, the training age is my age is 18, and my goal here is to increase my strength, power, and endurance. My volume here is moderate, and my frequency is 2 times a week. In the previous it's 3 times a week, but in 2 times a week, we're gonna perform this exercise in complete 5 days. And my session's duration is 60 minutes, including warm-up and cool-down. So now let's proceed to the warm-up stretch. As you can see in this table, the 3 warm-up stretch I chose is the arm across chest, the arm circles, and the hamstring stretch. So in arm across chest, the duration of my stretching is 30 seconds. This sets is 2. The repetition is 5. Arm circles is 30 seconds. The sets is 2. The repetition is 1. Hamstring stretch. The duration is 30 seconds. sets is 2, and the repetition is 1. And now let's proceed to the 7 exercises that I will be performing. First here is we have the plank, the curl ups, side plank, squat, bench press, bicep curl up, leg curl up. And the plank is I will gonna perform it 3 sets. Repetition is 1 minute. Rest is 3 to 5 minutes. The load is 85%, 1 RM. The RPE is 5. So how did I get the load? I was basing here in this table. So if we go to this high exercise, then everything in this row should be followed. Next is the RP is the intensity of my exercises. Since it's 85%, then I chose 5. Now is the curl ups. We have I'm gonna do this exercise in 3 sets. The reps is 15. The rest is 3 to 5 minutes. The load is 85%, 1 RM. The RP is 5. So the next exercise is side plank. The sets is 2. The reps is 1 minute. The rest is 3 to 5 minutes. Load is 85%, 1 RM. And the RP is 5. Next is the squat. I'm gonna perform 3 sets. The repetition is 5. And the rest is 3 to 5 minutes. The load is 85%, 1 RM. The RP is 5. So the first 4 exercises I chose are the high intensity. And the last 3 exercises that I chose is the moderate intensity. And these 4 exercises that I chose, I want to make this as a high intensity because these are the part of my important goal is to increase my strength, power, and endurance. As a gym exerciser before, it really helped me this 4 exercises to achieve my goal. And this last 3 exercises are the moderate. I just lowered the load because in order for it to be balanced and in order for us to avoid some injuries. That is why I lowered this 3 exercises. And that's why the RPE also lowered, which is 4. So the next of these 3 exercises is now the moderate part, which is the bench press, bicep curl up, and the leg curl up. So as you can see here in the load it is just only 75%, 1 RM. It is because this is now in the moderate part. And the RPE is 4 since this is already in the moderate. So in the bench press, I will gonna perform this exercise in 3 sets. The repetition is 5. The rest is 1 to 2 minutes. The load is 75%, 1 RM. The RPE is 4. And the next exercise is the bicep curl up. I will gonna perform this 3 sets. The reps is 10. The rest is 1 to 2 minutes. And the load is 75%, 1 RM. And the RP is still 4. And the last exercise is the leg curl up. I'm gonna perform this in 3 sets. The reps is 10. The rest is 1 to 2 minutes. The load is 75%, 1 RM. And the RPE is 4. So after the 7 exercise, you will need to have the cool down stretch. And I chose this 3 stretch in the cool down, which is the Cobra stretch, which is good because I will be doing curl up exercises. Next is the hamstring, and the last stretch is the elbow band and push. So in the Cobra stretch, the duration is 30 seconds. The sets is 2, and the repetition is only 1. The hamstring the duration is 30 seconds. The sets is 2. The reps is 1. And the last exercise I will be performing in the cool down stretch is the elbow band and push. So the duration is 30 seconds. The sets is 2, and the reps is 1. So that's it, everyone. This is my defense against my the muscular resistance training prescription and the cardiovascular conditioning prescription. So thank you everyone for this video, and God bless.